So today we are presenting to you Clean Fit. Our motto is Swachh Bharat, Sprinting Bharat. Our inspiration was derived from the deteriorating health of our citizens and the dirtiness of our streets in India. The sedentary lifestyle that people have grown accustomed to is going to derail us from the path of progress. At the same time, we realized that another problem with similar roots is cleanliness. Wouldn't it be great if we could have a system to not only make Indians more involved in keeping their surroundings clean, but also a system to provide a way to keep us fit without the process getting monotonous? So, in addition to doing cardio, you would be doing squats, lifting, and various other exercises while picking up and disposing garbage without even realizing. The application makes cleaning your surroundings a collaborative and fun initiative. Now, first you have to log in so that we can personalize the app for you and provide analytical insight. Our web application uses historical data to mark littered streets and locations near you. These streets are comprehensively marked with various parameters like the level of cleanliness, types of garbage, weather predictions, and more. Based on this data and the distance you want to cover, our algorithm will find an optimum and randomized route for you to take while calculating the cleanliness index of the route to ensure that there is an enjoyable balance of running and cleaning. You as a user will have to follow that path to reach the above mentioned street, pick up as much trash as you wish, and throw it in the nearest dustbin. Now, this app is fully functional and with additional user-centric and analytic tools. We have seen to it that the web app is light and hence can be used by all, considering bad networks are a prevalent problem in India. Not only does it provide a carefully calculated route, it also provides invaluable info like the calories you will consume, streak, and your previous records. It also lets you know the cleanliness of the route you have chosen. If you are not satisfied, you can request another route.